How to download and install HIKMICRO site. Enter App Store, search for HIKMICRO site. Download the app. When the app is downloaded, open it. And you have now successfully downloaded HIKMICRO site. How to connect your thermal device to HIKMICRO site. Enter menu on your thermal device and turn on hotspot. Enter Wi-Fi on your mobile phone. Connect to device by entering the password, which is a 9-digit serial number. Enter HIKMICRO site app. Swipe until you find your thermal device and tap Start Live View. You are now successfully connected to the HIKMICRO site. A quick go through the image parameter. First icon, you adjust brightness. Next, you adjust contrast. Set digital zoom. 4 different color palettes. At last, you can calibrate the device. Language setting. In the lower right corner, you see an icon called Me. Here you get access to the language. Choose your preferred language. Your preferred language has now been saved. Access OSD settings. Tap the wheel icon in the upper right corner. You will now have access to turn on and off hour clock, date and overlay timestamp. How to take photo and video. In the lower right corner, you will see an icon with a camera. It indicates it's in photo mode. If you press the camera, it will go into a video mode and you can now start and stop recording video. In the lower left corner, you will have access to the latest recorded media. If you press the screen, you will get access to the full media library. Here, you can save media, you can delete media, and you can share directly into an email or in social media.